Welcome to this week's Monday Pause. I'm Fern with Fern Yoga and Wellness. Last week, I introduced a Sanskrit mantra to give us a sense of groundedness. This week, we will continue along the same theme, and I'll be introducing the use of a mudra. And a mudra is simply a hand gesture that helps to guide energy through the body by placing your fingers in specific positions. And each finger represents one of the five elements. And I have more information about that in the description. So this week we will engage the Prithvi Mudra by touching the thumb, which represents the fire element, and the ring finger, which represents the earth element. And this mudra provides balance and invites vitality and stability and rootedness. So let's begin our meditation today with the use of the Prithvi Mudra. So find a comfortable seated position, your spine nice and tall, and your shoulders nice and relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow, steady exhale through the mouth. And now bring your hands into Prithvi Mudra by touching your thumb and your ring finger and just allowing the other fingers to extend naturally. And then rest the back of your hands on your lap. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And begin to notice your breath moving in and out at its natural rhythm. So breathe easily and naturally. With each inhale, imagine drawing in stability and strength. With each exhale, ground yourself into this moment. Allow the mudra to anchor you like roots reaching to the earth. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the sensations of your fingertips and to the rhythm of your breath. Now gently release the mantra and allow your hands to just relax. Take one more slow, steady inhale and a long, releasing exhale through the mouth. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of grounded calm with you for the rest of the day. Namaste. And remember, we have Pause and Mingle this Wednesday at 4:15 Central Time, 5:15 Eastern Time, and I'll include the link to the sign up page for you. So I hope to see you then. Thank you so much.